All right, this is going to be like a little pallet deck almost. It's just going to be a little area to put trash cans. And so I'm going to use some old 4x4s from old fence posts that were taken down, and then of course pallets. Here's some of these scrap 4x4s that I'm going to use. The length is going to be the length of that top one, so I'm just going to mark that bottom one, cut them both the same length, so I got my two pieces going across. All right, so my goal is to make it even the back porch here, straight across. Also had some old cinder blocks laying around here. I use these for putting the posts on. Well, that's kind of the rough layout of it. I was digging around down here to get this brick set. Kind of came across an interesting find here. It's an old axe head. Kind of cool. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Awesome. Knock the dirt out of it there. Any kind of markings on it or anything? All right, back to work. That was a cool find. I'm just kind of roughing this in right now, but it's actually darn near level. Make sure it's perfectly level when I'm done, but it's really darn close. Just roughed in there, so get it level this way, level that way, and then even with the porch. All right, I'm just kind of roughing this in still, but I got this level here, got this corner here square. So now I'm going to work this back piece right here. Starting to get a little dark out here, but got the back piece in, level, square. Hopefully this piece will be the same. Check it out. It actually goofed up here, so these blocks need to come over to the left a little bit, because this is going to sit on there like those, not in between them, on the side of them. I got everything level exactly, and then everything's square too. All those corners are square. Now time to start laying my slats on there and lock it all in. All right, I'm just gonna line it perfectly flush with the front, because I'm gonna put some dressing on it, I think. I don't know for sure yet, but anyway, I'm just going to start with that 2x6 so I can kind of nail it on either side and secure the ends in there, and just kind of work my way out. Cutting these all 33 inches, a little overlap in the back on purpose. All right, I'm tacking them in with that, but then I'm going to pound them in using reused pallet nails. Here's my jar for good ones. This is the front trim, so I'm going to do a 45 at the corner on it. Found a long piece here from one of the longer pallets. Just got to do that piece right there. Went ahead and took those old pallet nails too after I tacked it in with the brad nailer. Took the old pallet nails, kind of used some of the existing holes too. Made a few extra ones, new ones, but Get some stain on there now. All right, that's it. I'm calling it good. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in a little bit with dirt around there, maybe a little bit around the edges tomorrow after that stain dries on there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.